Hello all. So today's topic would be the addition of new user defined column UDC in JDA SCPO. So this is the frequent requirement that we used to get. So addition of a new UDC for the existing table already existed in the JDA suite. So this will be for an addition of any new functionality, and also we do used to get a requirement to add more new columns to the existing tables, so to store the data and all. So in order to do this in the JDA SCPO and all, and once you added a new user defined column UDC, and in order to access that new UDC that you created into the FE pages of the JDA, so you need to process the two steps. First you need to create the new UDC. Once the new UDC creation is completed, so then we also need to do the enrollment of the UDC. So once you did the enrollment of the UDC, then only that new UDC that we have created will be visible in the FE pages for the access. So if you don't enroll the UDC, then it won't be visible in the FE pages, then user won't be able to see this one, and we can't able to use that new UDC from the front end. So first you need to create the new UDC, and then you need to give an access for the users. So in order to do that one, we need to follow the below two steps. So for the step one will be the creation of new UDC. So in order to do this one, we need to go to data model manager, and then select the table where you want to add the new user defined columns. So we have a list of the tables shown in the left side of the data model manager. Then where you navigate to the table where you want to add the new UDC, and then click on that table, and then it will show you the fields to create the new column. So you need to give the columns here. So first one will be the column name, so which is the column where you will so first one with the column name. So this will be the name of the new UDC that you are creating, like some MRP column UDC underscore MRP. So you want to create a new UDC. This is the name of the column that will store in your database and will be visible from the bracket. So and next one will be the header. This is the display name. So display name you can give it as relevant one, like MRP ones. And then the description will be it's related to the column. So what is the purpose of this column? So description will give the details. And next one will be the data types. So data type will be the type of the new UDC that we are creating. So either it will be a text or number or UDC. So mine is a text, so I given selected a text. So next one will be the your length of the field newly created. So field length, so you give the number of the length of the field that you require. So I give like example, you can give it as 100. So next option will be the options. So where we will have check boxes like to select as a primary key, allow updates, allow null values. So if you select it as a primary key, so this new UDC will consider as a primary key. So so if you select the checkbox, it will treat this one. This will treat the new UDC as a primary key column. And if you another option will be allow updates. Whenever you check this allow updates, then only you this UDC will become editable in the FE pages for the users to edit. So so in order, if your requirement is to create a new UDC and make visible in the FE pages, and also to be editable to the users and all, so then you need to check these allow updates as well. So and so the next one will be the allow null values. If you check this one, it will allow null values as well. Okay, and another field that we need to property that we need to give for the new UDC. So the default value, if you have any requirement to give the default value, you can use this one, otherwise you can leave it, it's optional also. Okay, so once you enter all these fields, is required these fields and all, then that completes your creation of the new UDC. Okay, so the next, once the so this completes your creation of new UDC, then next uh, step will be, in order to display in your FE pages and all, you need to do an enrollment of the UDC. So the step 2 follows the enrollment of the new UDC. So in order to display it in FE pages and all, so first you need to do a IGP XML generate. You need to generate an XML IGP XML. So in order to do that one, so first navigate to your JDA install directory config bin platform folder, and then generate the XML. So syntax will be IGP XML generate, and your database ID, password, and give the SCPO and schema name and name of the XML. So if I take if I give an example, SCPO underscore IGP XML. So then you need to run this IGP script. So the syntax will be IGP and IGP schema name, password, and the name of the XML SCPO underscore IGP, and the SCPO and the table name. So this table name will be the table name where you are adding the new UDC. So that is the table name you need to give. So once this is done, then you need to run the related table PLB. So in order to do this one, first you need to connect to SQL Plus for the IGP schemas. So go to the SQL Plus and give the IGP schema and add the database ID, and then add the password. So it will connect you with the SQL Plus. Then you need to run the .plb of the table which you created the new UDC. So in order to do that one, you just need to give table name .plb. It will start executing the TLB. So first it will ask you to enter your TNS name, enter the TNS name and enter the app schema password, and it will ask you to enter the IGP schema password. So you can give the IGP schema password as well. So once this execution of the PLB is completed, so this will complete the enrollment process of the new UDC. So this process will ensures that you can able to view your new UDC in the FE page. So in order to create a new UDC and make them visible in FE page, you need to follow the 2 steps. First step will be, you need to create the new UDC, and then you need to make this as a enroll into that. So these 2 steps if you follow, you are able to fulfill the requirement of the creation of the new UDC in the JDA SCPO. Thank you for watching.